On January 3, 2025, Arkansas police officers were dispatched to a residence for an alleged assault. Upon arrival, the officer knocked on the door and spoke with the victim, who stated that his ex, Melissa, which he did not know was in the residence, became violent and attacked him. But she had marks on her as well. Was this self-defense? You be the judge. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Okay, cool.
Hello, police!
Help, sir. Officer.
Hey, sir.
He broke my phone, and I don't know what it is.
I was just on the phone with you guys, and I was trying to get her to leave.
I have not laid my hands on him.
She's lying.
I mean, I have marks on my neck.
I just talked to the officer, and I said I was going to cops here. She's going to
He
leave.
choked me, and I mean, I can't even call for a ride. He broke my
Is
phone.
your name Melissa?
Yes.
Melissa Murphy?
He's been spitting on me. He's
over here. Just walk over here
okay.
and I can...
Step back inside, I'll talk to you.
Yeah.
So what's going on?
She's just very violent this morning. She woke me up. I didn't even know she was here. And she got kind of like chaotic at me, and I kind of laid down, was watching TV. She got into my account, took all my money out of my phones, and then she, I asked her to leave. She wouldn't. She hit me a few times, which I ain't got marks or nothing on me.
I see your neck. She scratched your neck up.
Yeah, and I didn't hit her or nothing. And I told her like twice I'd call the cops. She didn't calm down. She started acting violent again. And I called the law, and I just asked her, please, to leave. And I talked to the officer, and she said she would leave. And I said, I'll give you a ride if I need to, but I need you to calm down and stay away from me.
Let me see your arms or anything, if there's anything. Got a few scratches on your arms there.
Yeah.
They looks like they're a little shook up.
Yeah, I am.
Lift your head up a little bit. Nothing on this arm or anything?
No, just little scrapes. I don't like bruise or scrape very easily.
Scratch on that side right there.
What happened?
well, Louie and he's, I fell in love with an idiot, and we're fighting today. It's like the worst fight we've ever been into. I don't want to fight with him. I don't know really what started it. I think he. I'm not trying to overstay my welcome by any means. But he broke my phone. He literally smashed it, took it into it, and broke my phone. So now I have a hard time trying to even get a hold of anybody. And then I do have my guitar, and I have my backpack, like 2 big backpacks of my clothes. So that, it's just a lot to carry. I'm walking, and then I kind of need to think I even go to the hospital because he's been kind of. I haven't really put my hands on him. I wasn't trying to attack him at all. Like I didn't. I feel he's been sort of aggressive towards me, and then I don't know. Like I have marks on, I think, on me. I don't know if I want to press charges on him necessarily, or if he's. I'll gladly. I will leave. I hate that this is even happening. Like, I'm not.
Where are the marks at?
There's on my neck. He
What's
choked my neck. And then my necklace came off. I don't know. And then I don't know. You might not see it, but.
Okay.
And then and then like on my back down here, it's like it kind of bulges out. Okay, you see, I know it's kind of weird. I might need X-rays because it bulges out right here because it's really sore.
What did he do there?
I really can't.
Is this your house now, or you just living here with somebody?
I live here with Jill.
Is Jill your girlfriend now, or what is she?
No, she's just a good friend.
Okay.
He pushed me into the back of the door, and the doorknob did that, and then he put his hands on me, and he pushed my head into the wall. I really, I don't want to fight with him. I might act like a brat sometimes.
Go 15 with her.
Most
But I definitely don't want to fight him. But he broke my phone too.
Stand by.
He broke my phone, and
Your stuff is like in that bathroom, but I can go grab it and bring it out the door.
Does she have like has she been living here or anything, or
No.
she just showed up?
Yeah,
Okay, is she not supposed to be here?
she's not. I didn't even invite her over.
Okay.
the lady that lives here, Jill, she's away right now, but I know that like he brought me here. Like I didn't break and enter. Like he brought me here. Like we went to like we.
Who brought you?
Louis did. My
Okay.
I'm not trying to like.
What is it?
I'm not
Because she
trying to
has,
say, like, if you must be leaving, that's, like, I'll leave,
she has stuff over her too.
He'll give me a ride or something.
So I don't really know. Did she not? Did she just show up? And
Just
what's
he
her?
just kind of acts like.
I guess he
like,
broke
I
her
don't
phone.
know. I was just on the
I guess he
radio
strangled
line,
her,
like, but
threw her into a
I don't
door.
wanna
She had a
fight
knob
with
on
him.
his back.
I
Raised
don't
the
know.
door.
It's really.
I was gonna look again, but he's got scratches. Yeah.
I was not trying to like fight. Like, I'm not trying to stay. Like if he wants me to leave, that's like I'll leave. You know. He said he can give me a ride or something, but then he just kept picking on me. Like he would kind of hover over me and kind of like just be. I just kind of act like I don't know. I was just telling him to leave me alone, like kind of, because I don't want to fight with him. I don't know. It's sort of like he just kind of just.
Okay.
I don't want to fight with him. I really do.
What's your name, ma'am?
It's Melissa Murray.
Alright, Melissa.
He broke
Melissa,
my-
do you live here?
No,
Did you just show up here?
No, that's the thing. He picked me up 2 days ago. Like, okay, I have he broke my phone, so I can't even. I have videos like too. I recorded him when he was starting to get aggressive towards me, and then even on my timeline, like he picked me. We were at Walmart together yesterday. We were together. Like he was, me and him are just like.
Okay. Well,
I
here's
do
the
not-
deal. Okay, you're gonna be put in handcuffs right now. Okay.
Yeah, let's get her stuff. She'll probably be going to jail.
And she did that like she'll
Yeah, this
cry
is-
like acting, but she's not. I mean, she's my baby's mother too,
Yeah.
but she
No, they ain't got, if that's our
showed up
stuff,
here,
she'll
man.
just have to schedule a time to come get it because we can't carry all that stuff with her.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
if
this
you
is
want
all
to just
her
get
stuff.
a bag, put that in, and at some point in
Alright.
time she'll be back to pick it up.
Yes, sir. I'll do that. I get a big
Do
garbage.
you have
bag.
her phone and everything that was broke? and everything, or
She does.
she has the phone?
Yeah, she has it.
All right. So
I mean, I didn't break.
you want to take the
and
jacket off, or do you want
Well,
to?
can I say it? He brought me here. Like he took, and then
Yeah.
he broke my phone, and I wasn't,
Okay.
and I was trying to gather
Well,
my
I'm gonna-
things.
I'm gonna
So
roll
let
this
me-
up,
I probably,
okay?
can I show you them? Like, okay, can I?
Just hold on.
He did bring me here, like, and he broke my phone, and then I wasn't trying to fight with him at all. Like he was kind of throwing. Like, I'm not.
Let me double lock him.
I'm not trying to be aggressive. He was aggressive towards me, I think, more. I mean,
What did Weeks say?
I would like. I mean, I have marks. He threw me into the door. I would like to make. Like, I'm not trying to.
Do you know if she's been drinking or if she does any kind of
She
illegal
actually
stuff?
smells like she drinks. I might smell it on her breath. Unless she just mouthwash or something, I could smell it on her.
Does she use anything illegal that you know of?
I
mean, just-
no.
Melissa, you got anything on you? This can poke stickers at me.
No, man. Am I under arrest?
Just hold on.
Because I really did not breaking and entering, and I would have no problem leaving.
We're gonna figure it out.
Yeah,
I was gathering my-
That's why you're in handcuffs right now because we're trying to figure everything out.
I know.
Could I get you to do a statement for me, or would you just rather what your word of mouth to me?
Yeah, just word of mouth.
Okay, well, it's all on video, so.
I mean, I just.
So what happened?
Okay, Louis, we don't have the best relationship. Okay, this is the worst everything it's ever been. He broke my phone, my iPhone. He smashed it he smashed it into the toilet, and then he kept breaking it. Like I have my phone. I can show you. He smashed my phone, and then when I started looking for a ride, he got upset and was like, no, don't look for a ride. And then,
So are we 15 or are we okay? 22 PD, 15, 1 female.
and then he said he would take me, and then I said, okay.
Yeah, that's it. There we go.
Alright,
Okay.
we're gonna go to that cop car right there, okay?
Okay, so am I being under arrest?
Yeah,
You have anything on that's gonna get you in trouble?
No, but officer, I don't know why I'm under arrest because I was like,
for battery.
what about him? He's been hurt. He's been doing it to me. I haven't.
Hey,
even
what
touched
about
him.
walking?
Okay.
There you go.
I haven't even put my hands on him.
Really?
Yes, I promise. I got really like for protection maybe, but no, I have not been. Oh.
Were you supposed to be here?
Yes,
Do
he
you
brought
live here?
No, he brought me here though. But can I mean, I have marked. Can I go to the hospital?
You got anything on you, Melissa?
Yes.
You got anything on you?
No.
Okay.
No, I
If
just
they find you in the jail, it's a higher charge.
That's
Now's the
fine.
time.
I don't have anything on me.
Okay. Go ahead and face the car for me.
I'm not trying to like feel like I get anybody. Like he's been hurting me. I'm not trying to fight with him.
Do you live here?
No, officer.
Okay. Yeah, you can have a seat.
So I'm being placed for battery.
Yeah.
Okay, but I didn't hurt him. Like, I
Have a seat.
May I go to the hospital to be looked at? Because I think my tailbone.
They have a nurse that they'll check you out, and if they think it's.
Well, I would like
if
to
it's-
press charges on him because honestly, like I was trying to leave. He broke my phone.
Okay.
Sorry, we're dealing with all kinds of crazy.
Here's enough. All right, Miss Murray, step out for me.
Do you have anything in your pocket that will help me?
No, I just I do need to see the back of my tailbone is really hurt, and the back of my is my neck red at all?
No, why would your neck be red?
He was choking me out a little, and
Who are you talking about? Who?
he pushed me into the wall, and if you take my hat off, you see there's a red dent on my forehead, and then around my neck, and then my tailbone.
There's nothing. You have no pockets here.
Does it look red to you? I mean, I'm trying
No,
to
ma'am. I don't see anything.
move my hair over away again.
Here, I will be looking in a second. I gotta have you push that up on your nose.
I'll be in just a little bit.
Who is it?
Melissa Murray.
Hey, you do know she has bruises on her throat, right?
I didn't see any of them.
throat's swollen.
It is.
You swollen?
Yeah. And she has, her back is all scratched, and she has a bruise right here on her.
Well, we can always go back and get him.
Because there is severe marks on her.
Throat is like right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take pictures.
looking.
Can you send them to my email?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I can
he's
do
got
it.
scratches all around his neck and everything.
I mean, it could have been defense.
Well,
I don't know.
tec-
But she is kind of
technically-
crazy too.
It's like she's swollen all through here.
And it's bruised right here.
And she's not supposed to be there. She doesn't live there, and she just showed up. So
Oh,
I know.
so
but,
it's defense. I mean,
well,
technically.
she said he threw me up against the wall. Well, there's marks all on
he
her
was
back.
in bed, from
But-
what he told me, and she came in there.
Well, you know how
over
you
him.
men y'all lie and tell all kinds of stuff.
I know.
So I don't know, but she does have some pretty good significant. Her throat is pretty.
but to my defense, if somebody was hovering over
I
me
know.
and like I would
know.
whoop their ass.
I would too.
Like to get the whole story.
Yeah.
She can
got
say
some-
one thing,
And he can say another.
but
but-
like if he does not, she doesn't live there.
Right.
She
I
is
get it,
like a
but she
total
got some
stranger.
pretty good bruising.
Well, I would
Choke
whoop
her
her
ass.
ass too if
Yeah, I don't-
somebody like came into my house.
He's a little fly. He could have just blew.
He's staying with a friend at her house. He says she showed up this morning and
Went crazy.
it was kind of crazy.
Holy crap.
So-
I'm sorry, T. I would whoop somebody's ass if they were standing up to me.
You better believe it. I'm gonna let you have this as well.
A no contact.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Oh, she's been in here before. These kids need to stay off.
Yeah.
Need to stay away from cray cray. He just needs to get a permanent restraining order.
Yeah. Agreed.
Melissa Murray was arrested and charged with third-degree battery and misdemeanor criminal trespass. Her bond was set at $810. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.